Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we will design this model in FreeCAD. So first create new file, choose part design workbench, create board, create sketch in XY plane. In here go to sketch geometries and select rounded rectangle tool, and here draw this rectangle. And now choose symmetrical constraints and constrain these 2 points to this origin point. So now let's give the mesh to this sketch. We can see 160 and the radius of 10 to the fillet. Okay, so pick this tool and constrain the diameter of this, the radius of this arc to 10. Pick this horizontal distance, and here we set 100. Pick this vertical tool, select this point and this point. Select this line, change the length to 6. Okay, and now close the sketch. Press Home, go to Pad Tool, and here we set 10 to the length and press OK. So now select this face, create new sketch, and here we extract this edge here too, and go to rounded rectangle tool again and create these two rounded rectangles. So set this line equal to this line and this line equal to this line. Okay, and this arc equal to this arc. Okay, so now let's constrain this to this point. Okay, and we set this arc is equal to this arc. Okay, now select these 2 points, and here we set constant. Okay, and now choose this equal constraint, select this line and this line. Okay, and now pick this horizontal distance tool, and here we set 10. Okay, and now close this sketch, go to Pad Tool, and here we change to 5 and press OK. So now we have this part. Now let's do this hole. This circle have a diameter of 10. So come back, select this face, create new sketch, and here we extract these edges. Select cycle tool and draw these 4 cycles. Select this tool and change the diameter to 10. Select this equal constraint, select this cycle and this cycle, this, and now close this sketch. Go to Pocket Tool, and here change the type to triangle and press OK. So now we will draw this part. So we have this dimension 10 to the pad, we have 40, and the height is 40. So we come back and click in this icon, create a new sketch in XY plane. Okay, so here we switch to section view and go to this tool and extract this edge and this edge. Okay, and use this polyline tool to draw this sketch. So we select this, we click in this line, and press M 3 times to get this arc. Press M 2 times and okay. Now click in this point, go to tangent constraint and select this arc and this line. Okay, so now select these 2 points and make it constant. Okay, so now let's see the radius of these. So okay, we have a radius of 15. We have these 10 and these 40. Okay, select this vertical distance tool and here change length to foot. Select this tool and change the radius of this arc to 15. And here we constrain these 2 points, vertical constraint. Okay, and now close the sketch. Go to pad tool and here you have to check this option, symmetric to plane, and click OK. So okay, now we create new sketch in axial plane. Use this tool to extract this edge. Switch to section view and here pick cycle tool and draw this cycle. And now close the sketch. Go to peg tool. Check this option, symmetric to plane. And the path of this cycle is 40. Okay. So change the length to this dimension and click OK. And now we create a new sketch in axial plane. And here we extract this edge, switch to section view, and here we go and pick the rectangle tool and draw this rectangle. And let's set dimensions to this rectangle. Here the dimension is 10, and from this point to this point will be 5, and the vertical distance between the region to this point will be 10. Okay, so what is missing now? So select this point and this point and click in this horizontal constraint, click close. Okay, so now go to pad tool and here we set symmetric to plane and change length to 40. So okay, select this face, create new sketch, and here extract this edge. Go to cycle tool, select cycle tool and draw the cycle. So in this model we see a diameter of 20. So we come back and here we select this tool and change this diameter to 20. Close the sketch, go to pocket tool, and here in the type we select triangle and OK. So now select this face, or no, we can go to model and here we look for this pocket. We select this sketch and click on mouse and go to copy option, and here we select only the sketch and click OK. And click this icon to pass the sketch, spacebar to show this sketch and drag it into this border, and here we click 2 times, and now here we change this diameter. So as you can see, we have a diameter of 15. So change this dimension to 15. Close the sketch, go to pocket tool, and here we change the length to 2.5, and okay, the model is finished. So thank you for watching this video.